Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to win at Wordle every time. Firstly, start with a strong word. Use a starting word containing common consonants and multiple vowels such as crane, slice, adieu, or tails. For the initial 2 or 3 guesses, use words that do not repeat letters and collectively cover as many unique letters as possible. For example, start in sequence like crane, sloth, or bumps. After each guess, make sure subsequent guesses include all revealed yellow and green letters but avoid grayed out non-present letters. Words can have duplicated letters. Don't ignore the possibility if a solution is elusive, and familiarize yourself with frequent English word endings and structures such as EING, EST, or ER. Wordle uses American spelling conventions, so always consider US English. For example, for your first guess, crane covers common letters and vowels. Second guess, sloth, new letters, more coverage. And third guess is bumps or faked, which covers rare or remaining letters. Just narrow down based on feedback using process of elimination and letter positioning. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.